How to delete Walmart purchase history. Welcome back to the channel guys, and today's video I will let you know that how can you simply delete your purchase history from your Walmart order history on your orders on Walmart. So basically what we need to do is, I cannot show you directly because I don't have any order with Walmart right now, but I will tell you the steps guide one by one and tell you that how can you simply delete your purchase history on Walmart application. So watch this video till the end so you can know very much better about this. The first step is to log in into your account with the Walmart website walmart.com and click on the account icon in the top right corner of the page. Top right is like where you can see the select option. This is the top right corner. Whenever you will log in into your account, you will see the account icon on this same place. After doing it, click sign in and enter your email address with your password to access your account. After accessing your account, the step 2 is go on the account section again, click on the purchase history from drop down menu. After that, the third step is you can simply select a single order to delete. Or if you want to delete more orders or entire purchase history, you just have to click simply on the delete all button on from your Walmart application or account. You can also delete it on your PC, or you can also delete it on your mobile application. Confirm all the deletion, and after doing this you can check your purchase history. It will be deleted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. We will meet again with next informative and the best video with all of you.